We are asked to find the volume of this cylindrical water container that has a radius of 7 centimeter and its height is 10 centimeter. We will solve this using this formula, pi r square h. And this is the formula used to find the volume of a cylinder. So our pi is already given, which is 22 over 7. 22 over 7, which multiplies the radius. And the radius here is 7 centimeter. That is 7 centimeter because the radius is squared. Therefore, we are going to have 7 centimeter multiply 7 centimeter, which also multiplies the height here is 10 centimeter. So if we solve, we have this 7 to divide and cancel out this one. Therefore, we now have 22 multiply 7 multiply 10. And if we multiply this out, our answer will now be volume should be equals to 15040. That is, we are asked to find the volume of this, whereby the radius is given, the height is given, and we are asked to use our pi to be 22 over 7. Now, the formula, as we all know, is pi r square h. So whereby the pi is already given as 22 divided by 7, multiply, the radius is 3 centimeter and it is asked to be double, that's square. So we have 3 multiply, the height here is 7 centimeter. So if you are to solve that, we cancel out this 7 with the height. Therefore, we multiply 22 by 3 by 3. And if we multiply, we have 198. And this is our final answer. If this is your first time of joining, kindly subscribe, click the notification bell, share your thoughts in the comment section, and share for your colleagues and friends to learn. Thank you.